Hi guys, my name is Marcus Seymour, and I'm the Chief of Staff here at TaxGPT. Today, we're going to be covering our writing model, which is really exciting because you can upload documents and very quickly create responses to IRS notices or even client-facing memos. So let's get started. So what we'll do is click over here on Research, and you can see we're back at our prompt window. To work with our writing model, it's very simple. You'll click right here on Copilot, and then you'll click Writer. This will call on TaxGPT's writing model and really create a unique experience on how you can use AI to write client-facing memos or IRS responses. It's important to note that if you forget to click on the writing model, the TaxGPT can still write an IRS response or even a client-facing memo. The difference will be the user experience that you have when doing this. Let's see why we want to click on the writing model. Here, you can see that I've clicked on the writing model with Copilot, and then I'm going to upload a document. We're going to work with a CP 2000 notice, and we're going to ask TaxGPT to write a response. I've also provided instructions to TaxGPT on how I'd like it to write this notice. I've asked it to please acknowledge the notice, explain that the discrepancy is due to missing basis information. I've also asked it to make sure that the letter is respectful, and it requests that the IRS adjust its proposed changes accordingly. From here, we'll submit our prompt. Let's see what TaxGPT comes up with. So here you can see that TaxGPT's created this box, and what's really cool about this is you can actually edit this memo right inside of the tool. Let's look at our name right here. You can simply click right here, and you can erase this and put the client's name. For this, we'll go ahead and put Marcus Seymour. This is my name. We can also edit the address, the city, state, the zip code, and other things. Over here on the right-hand side, you can ask TaxGPT to suggest changes to the memo. So here we can see that TaxGPT, when I hover over this, actually highlights the section inside of the document. And here it says, consider addressing the letter to a specific title or department. I can simply hit apply, and then it will change that on my behalf. You can also adjust the length of the letter, and we have a couple of different options. Very short, short, long, and very long. A couple of other things that you can do that's important to note is that you have both the undo and the redo button, and you can work with this the same way that you would inside of a Word document. One other thing that you can do inside the writing model is you can actually continue prompting it or uploading documents right here in order to provide the model more context. Once your letter or memo is drafted, you can copy it and paste it into a Word document and then get it ready with your own letterhead. You can email it. You simply click here on the email button and it'll pull up your default email browser, or you can even print and save as a PDF. So thank you for your time today. I hope this was helpful. In future videos, we'll actually be covering advanced prompting and how to use different features inside of TaxGPT. See you next time.